Social story, going to the dentist. You tell the reception staff you have arrived and take a seat in the waiting area and sit quietly until your name is called. You or your parents will be asked to complete a practice record patient declaration form, and this is for every treatment. The dentist will ask you some questions, like how many times a day do you brush your teeth? Are you flossing? You can use dental tape, ribbon or interdental brushes. And are you using an electric toothbrush or a manual? Here is the dentist chair. It goes up and down, and this section tilts backwards so the dentist can work on your mouth. His assistant will make some notes or hold some of the dental equipment. And lie back and open your mouth wide. The dentist will count your teeth. And if you feel nervous, use your relaxation distractions, wiggling your toes or think about something fun. And here are some of the common dentist tools with a mouth mirror, a probe, an explorer and scalers. Sometimes they will blow air onto your teeth. This is okay. Sometimes they will use a suction device. This is also okay. And lots of different things can happen at the dentist. You might have to put a bib on or wear safety glasses. You might have to take a sip from the cup and then rinse and spit out into the dish, and they will give you a tissue to wipe your mouth. You might need to have an X-ray. This is really quick and easy. The dentist will ask you to sit up and then bite down on this plastic wing, and the dentist steps outside to press the button. All done. Some dentists have posters on their ceilings for you to look at, and some will play music. When they are finished, they will give you a form. And now you can go to the reception, and if you are under 18, you do not need to pay for your dentist treatment. Seeing the dentist will keep your teeth and gums healthy. It is a good life skill to keep up good dental hygiene, and regular checkups means you will have healthier, stronger teeth for longer. Family and friends will be really happy. The dentist and his assistant will be really pleased. This will prevent any further issues and keep us having a beautiful smile.